Hello and welcome to these video tutorials on using AutoCAD. The AutoCAD program, which you have downloaded from Autodesk, is 2010. The reason why we've asked you to download 2010 rather than 2011 is simple. I've got the manual for it. So what does that tell you? I'm learning this program at the same time as you are. So as we work through these tutorials, if you come across anything, any shortcuts, any features, anything that the program does which you found out, please let us know, because any information will be helpful. So what we're going to do now is come across and open up our AutoCAD 2010 program. If you take a look here, I'm in my Windows environment. If you're lucky enough to own a Mac, then you need to sit down and have a chat with me, because there are one or two differences which we need to be aware of. But here we go. So we're going to double click on AutoCAD 2010, and this here, I'll just give you a little bit of explanation. I was messing around with drawing online, and it's somehow corrupted my profile. Anyway, I'm just going to click continue. Here it'll come up with this new features workshop. The idea behind this is a quick explanation of this version compared to previous versions, but because we haven't played with the previous versions, we don't know what the improvements are in this version, so we'll just have a little click on maybe later and OK. And this is my AutoCAD environment. Looks pretty daunting. Now, before we do anything else, the first thing I want you to do is watch my crosshair come down to the bottom to the command line, just there, and just click on it. And I want you to type in D settings and press enter. This will bring us up, as it says on the top up there, drafting settings. Now, you need to make sure that these boxes are checked. As we work through these programs, you will always need these boxes checked during the exercises. The end result of this particular module is we would like you to be able to design your kart with your teams, and on a personal note, I would like you to be able to do quite a complex engineering drawing of a vehicle component. Okay, good. So we're just going to click OK here. Now what we're going to do is have a look at our AutoCAD environment. We're going to take a little bit of a tour. Follow the crosshair up to the A in the corner. That is our applications menu. Come across, we've got our quick access toolbar. Move across to number 3, and that's our information center. Come down to part 4, and we've got our title bar. Number 5 is our ribbon. Number 6, this part here, is our drawing area. Number 7 are my crosshairs. Number 8 we've already used, that's our command window. And number 9, right the way down the bottom, is our status bar. Now what I would like you to do for the next 5 minutes or so is just click on things. Just click, 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 and see what stuff does. Don't be afraid to use this program. You're not going to break the computer by clicking that and then going across to clicking that and perhaps having a little click on that. Have a look, check out the environment, and just have a little play at drawing a couple of lines all over the place. And then in the next tutorial we'll start looking at opening and saving the files.